If you're considering Article Forge for your content creation needs, here are 12 important things you need to know before making a purchase. Let's dive into the details, comparing it to other popular AI writing tools, so you can make an informed decision. First, Article Forge promises fully automated article writing. Unlike other tools that require some tweaking, Article Forge aims to generate high-quality content with minimal input from you. However, this level of automation can sometimes result in articles that feel a bit formulaic, especially when compared to tools that focus on more personalized, nuanced writing like Jasper AI. Next, the pricing model. Article Forge offers a subscription-based service with a monthly and yearly plan available. This might seem more affordable compared to some competitors like Copy.ai or WriteSonic, but it's important to note that while the cost is lower, the quality can sometimes be inconsistent. If you need an AI tool that can consistently create unique, engaging content, you might find the pricing gap worth reconsidering. The third thing you need to know is its focus on long-form content. Article Forge excels at generating lengthy articles for blog posts or web pages. If you're focused on shorter content or need more tailored, niche writing, it might not be the best fit. Tools like WriteR or Simplified could give you more flexibility for different content lengths and styles. Now, the fourth thing to consider is the user interface. Article Forge is pretty easy to use, but it's not as sleek as some newer AI tools. While it does get the job done, tools like Copy.ai and Jasper offer more polished, user-friendly experiences, which might be better if you need a smoother workflow. Next thing, content originality. While Article Forge can spin out articles quickly, some users have reported issues with duplicate content. It's not always able to generate truly unique pieces without manual adjustments. Competitors like WriteR and Jasper tend to perform better when it comes to originality, making them a safer bet if content uniqueness is critical for your SEO strategy. The sixth thing to keep in mind is its integration capabilities. Article Forge doesn't integrate as seamlessly with third-party platforms like WordPress or SEO tools, unlike Copy.ai or WriteSonic. If you're looking for something that fits easily into your existing workflow, you may want to consider these other options. Moving on to the seventh point, content quality. While Article Forge can write long-form content quickly, the quality may not always meet expectations, especially if you need a highly researched, well-crafted article. Other tools like Jasper or Surfer SEO offer more advanced editing features and integrations that can help improve the final product's quality. The eighth thing you need to know is its AI writing style. Article Forge focuses on generating content based on data points and keywords, but it doesn't do a great job of mimicking human tone or personality. If you want content that feels more conversational or emotional, competitors like Jasper or WriteSonic are much better at capturing that natural flow. The ninth thing to consider is its keyword optimization. While Article Forge can generate content based on specific keywords, it's not always the best at integrating them smoothly into the content for SEO purposes. For better keyword optimization, tools like Surfer SEO or WriteSonic could be more effective in driving traffic to your site. Next, the 10th point, article customization. Article Forge offers a bit of flexibility when it comes to specifying the topic and the length of the content, but there's limited control over the final result. If you need a more customizable approach, other platforms like Jasper and Copy.ai allow for more detailed input and output control. The 11th thing is content freshness. Article Forge's ability to stay up to date with current trends or events isn't as strong as tools like Jarvis or even Quillbot, which have more advanced algorithms to pull in the latest information. If you're producing time-sensitive content, this might be a deal breaker. Lastly, the 12th thing to keep in mind is Article Forge's support. While it has customer support, it's not as robust or accessible as some of its competitors. If you need fast, reliable help, you might want to look into tools like Jasper or Copy.ai that offer superior support. So, while Article Forge can be a good option for creating bulk, long-form content, there are other AI writing tools out there that offer more features, customization, and quality. If you want a better solution for your content creation, check out our recommended tool, which you can try for free.